The the booty is done.
No, it's not done. I'm checking to see if it's done.
Well, you just said you're taking it out. You taking it out to dinner, Mama? Mother, you taking the booty out to dinner? What? Ooh, look at that. Nice skin.
Hands off, mister.
I was just tapping it. Look at that nice, crisp, golden brown skin.
Okay,
Then
Grandma
you got
Rose.
then you got the gizzards.
Move, turkey.
The turkey's there. I'm not a turkey.
$150, $164, $171, $175, $78, $180, $183. Think the bird's done?
I would.
Oh, stopped at $185.
Let's see how it is in a different part of it then. Make sure the drum is good.
Yep, $190.
The drum is 190. It's sick. It needs to go to the hospital.
Look at all that.
Oh,
Hopefully
look at
that would be
all
gravy.
All that goodness. And it's good.
Okay, that's the same hole. I can't put it in the same hole.
See how far this one goes up. Ooh, 76. 176. Ooh, 180. It's definitely done.
Now you got to let it sit a little bit. Oop, that's a hole. That's a bone.
I hope you guys hold that nice crisp skin.
There's the heart. There's the neck. One gizzard. One liver.
Thought you were going to eat that for a second. Careful now, Mother. So we got the mashed potatoes and the stuffing left to make.
That is more than 2 cups.
About to get started with the gravy. Don't grind your gears too much thinking about what measuring cup to use, Mama.
I prefer to use a glass.
And she decided on this. Oh, by the way, do you mind being on camera, Joe?
Yep.
Okay.
Hi.
This is my friend Joe. I've known him for a long time. He is, as you can tell, he's super tall.
How tall is he?
You said what?
6'6".
6. Yeah. Yeah, so he's a little bit taller than my nephew I've told you guys about. So, yeah, that states something. Now, behind the red curtain, back into the kitchen to see Mommy.
Ooh.
And the baster. So, hey, and by the way, it's 12 o'clock now. Whoosh. So now you guys have seen how long we've been at this cooking. Did you break it, Mom? Would you want me to get it?
I wonder what these holes are for.
Probably to help hold it on.
Maybe if I do it like this and go through them. Let's see. I'll do like this. I
You
took
need me
it
to
apart.
get it? Would you like me to get it for you, Mom? Yep, Mama got it.
Up the street. Come up here, please.
On this side? Okay.
No, I'm talking to the bird, not to you.
Oh. So how much of this are we gonna use?
I'm trying to, I need a whole bunch of it. So I'm waiting for the bird to settle down.
Fat and oil.
I can put you into one of these.
You got it? I can grab it for you, Mother. And you want this in there or the turkey?
Barkley.
Oh, we're not naming the turkey Barkley. That is an insult. Barkley is a character from Star Trek who's awesome. Lieutenant Reginald Barkley. He is one of the first.
That is a vein.
He's one of the first characters who are not canonically having, a mental illness, anxiety, social anxiety, and stuff like that. Isn't actually one people do consider him that, because he's very socially awkward and has issues
That
being
would have been
around
nasty
people.
if that thing fell down.
It would have just been floor flavored. And a few of you might be able to get that inside joke. Ooh, and look at that goodness go. Ooh.
That's hot.
Of course it's hot, Mother. So what are you going to do with those?
Probably toss them, unless Joe likes it.
Joe, do you like the liver, neck, and all that?
I think the liver.
It's not there. There was a very, very, very tiny piece. That is hard.
Did you want the heart of the neck?
That sounds good.
They're nice and crunchy. Trying to pick up all the little pieces.
All the tiny little pieces. Careful now, Mother. It's hot.
Okay, pull it back. Yeah, keep going. Hold on. That neck has a lot of meat on it.
There we go.
Okay.
Now, move this out from here.
I have to let it sit, and you can show how it's separating.
Look at that separation.
That's a lot of gravy.
Yep.
Oh, she's teardropping.
Ooh. Look at that. It's crying.
That means it's very juicy.
I cannot wait to devour the skin. Look at that. It's going to be so good. So now, we're getting the rolls.
No, I'm getting this bird out of my way.
Well,
We gotta find a plate to put it on, which should be.
if you hold this.
That's a cookie plate, but that's okay.
Yeah. Hold her for a minute.
Oh, that's not good.
And there you go. With all things, with God, if I can read, with God, all things are possible. And you guys probably saw the other one. It's the same thing. Now we put these cups back. Ooh.
Now, if you want to try to put that turkey back on here without it falling on the floor,
Yeah, it's simple. Just put the plate on top and flip it over.
no, you don't do that.
Well, let's go ahead and get it away from the sink.
Here you go.
It doesn't need a bath. It had one already. If I'm going to do that, I need to go get my stand. Yoink. Clip this into the stand. And that way,
Oh, I need that.
y'all can see me try to do this. I shouldn't say try, I should say, do a good job at it. Come on, unstick. And there we go. We'll set these over to the side by the sink. And there we go. Look, get a nice close up of the bird. And now we can put this one over to here. And we're getting ready to do the stovetop stuffing mix for chicken with real chicken broth. I mean, it says chicken broth. I'm assuming they put the broth in it and then dried it. Wouldn't that be right, Mom? Wink. Do you want me to get the milk out for the mashed potatoes?
Nope, no milk.
No milk.
You made it before.
And I failed epically at it. I added too much liquid. Excuse me. So this one is for the stuffing, I presume. With the margarine in it, that's today's theme, margarine.
Joe, do you usually do the bird?
No,
Okay, I'll do it. May not cut it up perfect, but
I put my skills to use.
if you want to come in here and okay.
I just ain't got my butcher knife with me.
See, this is him standing up. I have to literally back way up here just so I can get him mostly in frame.
Hi, people.
Yeah. You see, Mama, are we both in frame?
Hold on.
I have no idea
Let
if
go
we...
of its thing.
Are we both in frame?
Yes.
That's how much taller he is than me. I mean, go stand by Mama. See the difference in heights between
Oh, I didn't know that.
mother and brother. Look at...
Okay, I don't think I can. Let's just
Yeah.
cut this part off there.
And let's look at the
Now,
butter.
you want the butter.
Oh, the tail? No.
Okay. And you can put in, these will come out real easy, look.
Yep.
So that a little bit. Ooh.
Thomas would take one drum just from you.
I'll take the skin.
Okay, I am going to.
Hey, there's two drums.
Excuse me. One more more time. Okay, I gotta wash my hair. I can't stand. Where's the washcloth at, Tom?
I don't know.
Not near you? If you
No.
want to take those out and put them on a small tray.
Yep.
Here, get on his side.
Well, I was
Find out
trying
if
to
he's
do that.
left or right. Okay.
Well, he's right-handed. He has the knife in his right hand.
Excuse me.
Well, I can use either hand.
Oh, yeah, ambidextric.
So am I.
No, I gotta use the knife in my
Yes.
right hand typically. Left-handed have more control over the,
You train it. You train
Yeah, you
yourself.
can. So we got the rest of the celery and onions that we chopped way at the beginning. Going in there for the stuffing. Ooh, look
I
at
need,
that. Look at that.
The flour.
Ooh.
Top one. Yep.
There you go.
Now, what are you doing? You're using the flour to thicken up the gravy?
Don't you slap me either. I'm the cook.
No, Mom. You're the
I'll just take the bird and leave.
Oh,
You're
I take that.
the
Well,
chef. Well, Mama, you're the chef.
So I just
He's the sous chef. I'm the
slice
video
this
guy.
way, and then slice down. Then we can get slices. Okay, so. See, now it's separated, Thomas. Now you get the real stuff.
And get the knife to cut.
Well, I do have another knife if you want it, and it's... No, not that one. Hold on. Now it has the edges. It's easy. We can make a little more gravy.
Ooh, that looks so good, doesn't it, guys? Look at that steam coming off him. Go ahead and stir this a little bit so it doesn't brown too much.
Some people use flour, some people use cornstarch. You got to be careful how you do the flour so it doesn't clump up. I try not to have clumpy flour.
Yep, there you go.
We gotta zoom out real quick. Ooh. Careful, Mom. You don't want it to fall off. If you're not gonna feed me, I'll get my own piece.
It's a skill issue.
No, he takes the skin than the meat.
Oh yeah.
Most people do.
Chicken skin, turkey skin. It's delicious.
What kind of appetite did you bring yourself? I'm only going to make one box. Because we still got dessert too.
Oh yeah. And you guys already know that we're having the apple pie and the pumpkin pie for dessert, so I won't need to be showing you guys those. You saw the boxes already.
Juicy. I need the box of broth, chicken broth.
The can?
No, the box, because I'm making more gravy than normal.
I don't know where the thing went.
Is it over there?
Look
in the refrigerator.
I don't think so.
Right there it is. Right there on the edge.
Oh, chicken broth. Nice and brothy. Got it? Yeah, no, I'm not in this video too much. You guys have mainly seen my hand, these videos. But I'm more of a videographer this year.
Sir could use you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You're doing something wrong, Thomas.
What do you mean, doing something wrong?
You're saying things you shouldn't say with him.
Because I'm using a phone to film stuff.
Okay.
That's different than using a, actual production camera.
I need 1.5 cups of water, please.
Which skills do you want for church?
Watch your head, or your shoulder, I should state. Turn the sink on. You said 1.5 cups?
Yeah.
Where's the cups? Turn it this way. Good.
You go ahead and keep destroying that poor bird.
I'm trying to. Keep your fingers off of it.
Let's see, where are we at? We're more than a cup and a half.
I don't know about that.
Are we? Yep, that's about a cup and a half.
Add it to that.
Oh, let me go down a little bit more. We'll put you over to there. Go ahead and start mixing you guys up. And the mama's ready.
I'm waiting for it to boil just a little bit.
Ah, okay. Go ahead and mix all these goodies in.
Well, you didn't have to. You could just cleaned up one side. I think that would have been enough for us.
I had to do both sides.
Okay.
I don't know where my button is put. I don't know.
You just have to eat the bones then.
One's will take home to the dog.
Well, the bones will also be good though, because
You can make chicken broth.
well, not
I
for
mean, chicken soup.
not for that, not just for that. The bone marrow would be good. You see, to me, that does not look appetizing. I know it's not completely done
I need a lid on that.
on the stuffing.
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have to move a minute. Gotta go into the land of the lids. Does that one fit?
Yeah.
Good enough.
I guess that's funny for now.
Look how good he did that. Nice and
He plucked the
deboned.
chicken.
And you actually can see in the hole even better now. Good job, Joe.
Uh-huh.
$40, please.
Pay the man, Mama. So basically, what's next is the mashed potatoes, which won't take too long, and these. I'm fine with these just being in there,
Excuse me.
being
I have to
normal.
do one thing. I have no idea where it's at, but let's do this.
Oh, we keep on losing those. Yep,
Hot mama.
the broccoli and cheese.
Nope, don't go
That-
down.
It's bubbling.
Keep around. Now it needs to get the crust on it. And see how it's starting to simmer a little bit. Okay, so I don't lose you two. You're getting hungry.
Okay. The gravy. You stealing more turkey, Mama?
No, I'm going to do this. Gravy's thick. tell me if that's okay for you. If not, I'll go probably put a little more broth into it. Make a little bit more. It's
Perfect.
good? Okay, well then that should be enough for us. If we need more, I can make more. Okay, put you away over here. Where's my lid? That goes back over there with the sugar. Wipe things down. Okay, that goes back on top of the sugar. Okay, we won't need this, so this goes into here. You should be able to fit right there. Yep. Okay, now the mashed potatoes. Let's see, turned you off. I don't want you cooking still. Over there. I am going to be needing, since you got this,
Let's just make sure to get that off.
4
that
cups
heat.
of water.
4 cups, plus if we use the other one that's open.
4.5. That's a lot of mashed potatoes. I'll keep this for later. And I need 4 cups of water. I'm gonna put this on high. Where's that one thing you just had?
Joe has it now. That's a 2-cup glass right there.
Oh, by the way, Joe, go ahead and give me some water.
Oh.
Is that a 1 cup?
Really? That's a 2-cup glass, Mother.
That's a 2 cups. It doesn't have to be exactly.
Yep.
Two more.
That's what she said.
Really?
Okay, I want you to take that and dip it in the gravy. Tell me what you think about that. Oh, let me move the spatula. Okay. That tastes good. Thomas wants one, so.
Yeah, I still need to taste it.
That was horrible.
Come here.
So good.
The broccoli's in here. The dinner rolls, do you want to eat them that way? Or
This
do
is
you want
fine
them
with
warm?
me.
It don't matter.
Okay. The butter still goes on it.
Mm-hmm.
This can go in the trash, which is behind the curtain.
Yep.
This I'll save for next time we get together. I want you over here because I like butter things. Your lid, I think, got tossed.
Nope, I have it right here.
Ooh, he had his skin over here.
Uh,
Ah.
You know that was his. Now he's going to find it right here.
Yep.
Okay, this has to be refrigerated.
Yep. And we're going to here.
Right
Fit up there. Nope.
now.
Gonna go here. Yep.
I knew that was.
And just so you guys can actually see any of the boxes, but see pumpkin pie. And it's an apple pie, but it isn't caramel apple pie.
Yep, you can slice it, put it in the
So-
microwave, and you can have a warm apple pie,
Mm-hmm.
which some people like to eat.
And they'll put whipped cream on it, and I will gag when they do.
Whipped cream, yes.
Whipped cream, I'll gag. Sour cream, I'll gag. Which I have a story about that, but I'll save that for a little bit later.
Poor Taco Bell.
Yeah, and we're gonna leave it at that for right now, Mom.
We don't need this.
So right now we're just waiting for the water to heat up so we can actually put the mashed potatoes in. Because if you guys have never had these, here's how you're supposed to make it. 4 cups of water, boiling. Mix it in. Use a fork to moisten all the potatoes. Let it stand. Stir well and enjoy. You can follow them on the social medias. But it's no artificial flavors, dyes, and it's gluten-free. I'd hope potatoes are gluten-free. But let me straighten out the ingredients so you guys can see these, just in case you want to grab it. Actually, what might be a little bit better is if I go like that.
You need to get the turkey plates out.
Turkey
The silverware
plates.
is in there.
Yeah, have a plate.
Mm-hmm.
And then
That's what you
some
do.
silverware.
It won't take that long to do this. Once the water boils, it will be really quick. Now, what I do with that whipper right here? I'll wait till you get ready.